Good day, sir. My name is Lawrence Giliarte from BIS IT3. Gonna show you the 30% progress of my e-commerce prototype using Adobe XD. And I'm gonna explain the user flow and any completed panels required for my final project. So, which is interaction, overlay, animation, and component is over. So, so this is the create account. So, gumamit ako dito ng hover. Then, ganda. Then, animation. Then, yun. Pag-click ko ng laging is malalabas na, which is ito, gumamit ako ng overlay. Then, shop. So, gumamit din ako ng grid view and vertical scroll. So, tsaka nilagyan ko ng hover to. Pag nag-add to cart tayo, which is pupunta sa cart. Then, log out. Yun. Check naman sa admin. Admin. Nilagyan ko din ng hover. Then, overlay. So, nilagyan ko ng overlay. Then, product deleted then. So, yun. Yun lang po muna yung ginawa ko sa project ko.